Hi, incoming freshmen. I'm Jayda. I'm an RA here at Brenau. I've been an RA for 2 years and I'm a senior this year, and I also run track and field here at Brenau. Today I'm just going to talk to you guys about what I think that you should bring and some essentials that you'll need here at college for your first year. Yeah, we'll get right into it. So the first item I think that you should bring and is very essential is size twin bedding. That includes twin sheets, a twin comforter, and a couple pillows, And also, I think you should bring a mattress pad to make it more comfortable for you. Another item I think you should bring are hygiene items. This is very essential for your self-hygiene. That includes soap, toothpaste, toothbrushes, shampoo, conditioner, and I highly recommend stacking up on that stuff now so you don't have to buy it during the semester. And next, as you all know, you're coming to college by yourself. Your mom will not be here to clean your room for you, so let's bring some cleaning supplies. You will be responsible for cleaning your own bathroom and your own room. With 4 people sharing a bathroom, it can get quite dirty, so I definitely recommend bringing cleaning products as well as some laundry items. Our laundry here at Brenau is free, so you can wash as many clothes as you want, so you need plenty of laundry detergent and dryer sheets. Specifically speaking, the pods are a lot easier to take to the laundry room because you do have to walk. You could be upstairs and would have to walk. And also a rolling hamper because it's a lot easier to tote your items and clothes to the laundry room. One of the number one essentials I think you should bring is a shower caddy because 4 people in Crude Up, 4 people will be sharing a bathroom, and in Van Hoos, 2 people will be sharing a bathroom. So I think having a shower caddy to carry your stuff to the shower and then out would be very helpful. Another thing that you can bring to include in your book bag would be like a small first aid kit as such, and a hygiene kit because you will be walking far to classes, so like some perfume and a small deodorant to freshen up throughout the day. Another essential I think that you need is a power strip because we are not allowed to have extension cords here at Brenau, but power strips give you many options to plug in different things, such as a phone charger that you need to bring in your laptop charger and things like that. And if you're like me, you get super hot and I can't sleep in the hot, so I think you should bring a fan to cool your room down. And for all your cute decorations you want to hang up, I think you should bring command strips because we can't nail things into the wall. Also, everyone should bring a mini fridge and a microwave. The exact measurements for those are on the website because we don't want huge, gigantic refrigerators in the small, tiny dorm rooms. So next, I think that you all should definitely bring your laptops. You're going to be doing schoolwork and you need a laptop. As well as a planner. You're going to be in college and you're going to need to know everything that needs to be turned in, that you need to do, what events you have to go to, etc. And some notebooks and pens and pencils. On to the less essential items, but I feel like are highly needed is a wedge pillow so you can lay against the wall or like be on your computer in the bed, whatever you want to do. These are very essential. Also, I highly recommend bringing a gigantic water bottle. These are very good for when you're walking to class and don't have time to, stop and get a drink of water. You already have your gigantic water bottle and you're saving plastic. And lastly, I think that everyone should bring their favorite snacks to college because you get quite hungry in between classes and stuff like that. So having little snacks like this to put in your book bag on the go is a great idea. And here is a list of things that you should avoid bringing to Brenau. So no candles, but an alternative for making your room smell better are, like the car air fresheners that you can stick into the vent. I've seen people stick them into their air vents in the rooms to make their rooms smell better. And also do not bring any wax melts or anything heated like the Glade plugins or anything like that. I know that you may want to cook your own food and things like that, but we cannot have hot plates in the dorms or air fryers or anything like that. I know that you probably want to decorate your room with the LED lights, but please avoid bringing LED lights that you plug into the wall. But an alternative for that would be battery-powered LED lights, and you can find those in any store. Also, with the closets being so small and not a lot of place to store things, I think that if you're going to be going home to see your mom and dad, let's not try to bring our winter clothes or overpacked clothing items because you don't have many places to store your clothes. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any more questions, check out the link below for more information. We can't wait to see you guys in the fall.